Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the second time that I'm filming this video because the first time I didn't realize that my camera wasn't autofocus. So you could hear it trying to focus and it just kept going click, 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 and I didn't realize. So, second time's a charm. We're gonna go ahead and film this. So this video is going to be lazy girl life hack. So if you were like me, I would definitely consider myself a lazy girl for sure. And I don't know if I should be like proud of these because like this video is gonna be really good, or if I should be like really ashamed because I actually do this stuff. Like I didn't find this on the internet. Like these are things that I do regularly. So that's why I'm like, I don't know if I should be like embarrassed to actually show people this. So, I hope that you guys enjoy this. If you do, please be sure to go ahead, hit the subscribe button down below, and also leave a comment. Let me know if you guys do any of these or if you're going to start doing any of these. So let me know down below and let's just go ahead and get right into it. So the very first lazy girl life hack, we all have it. When we just wake up, we slept with our hair in a bun, we woke up late, and now like we don't know what to do because our hair is like to the point of no return. And so a little life hack for that is if you take your hair out of a messy bun or a ponytail and it just looks really, really bad, or let's just say you even just wake up with a bad hair day, by blow drying your hair in the morning on cool, it can actually just take out a lot of the volume on the top of your head and then take out that like weird kink that you always get from like keeping your hair in a ponytail or in a bun, and then you are ready for the day. The next one, it might seem a little bit weird, but let's say you have to go to the airport or you know you have a really big day and you have to get up at like 4 or 5 in the morning. I know for me, like anytime I go on a trip, I usually book my flight super, super early. So just go ahead, pick out the clothes that you wanted to wear for the next day, and before you fall asleep, put them on. So when you wake up, all you have to do is wash your face, put on your makeup, brush your teeth, and you're pretty much done. That eliminates like 15-20 minutes of trying to search for clothes and change. This one, you are gonna be like, wow, Courtney, this is ultimate laziness, and I know. But these are lazy girl life hacks, and so you're most likely a lazy girl if you're watching this video, so don't judge me. But I have 4 trash cans in my bedroom. So I have one where I do my makeup, I have one by my desk, I have one beside my bed, and I have one in my bathroom. So I never have to like get up and walk across the room to like throw something away. I always have a trash can like beside me. Speaking of that, I also have 2 laundry baskets. Literally, this is ultimate laziness, but you know, like those mornings where you want to look cute, but you're kind of running late a little bit, so you are just like kind of like throwing clothes, and like next thing you know, there's clothes like all over your bed, all over the floor. Same. Because that happens to me quite frequently. But then if you have 2 laundry baskets, you have one for clean clothes and you have one for dirty. So you just scoop up all those clothes off the ground and you put them in your clean clothes basket, and then whenever you get home and you have a little bit more time, you just put them away. Eliminates the mess. If you are like me, I do not like to get up in the morning. That is not a thing for me. So if I keep my phone beside me in bed, I'm just going to hit snooze and snooze and snooze and snooze and snooze. I have to leave in 5 minutes. So to eliminate that, I like to go ahead and plug my phone across the room, and then that way I actually have to get up in the morning. I can't just like lay in bed. I'll be honest, I still end up crawling to my phone across the room, but that way by the time you get up, you typically are like kind of like awake and you don't fall back asleep. The next one is the ponytail, like curling of the hair. I just did a really bad job explaining this. You may have seen it before, but I've been doing this for years. If I want to curl my hair and I want it to look nice, but I don't really have a lot of time because most likely I slept in, I just go ahead and pull my hair up in a ponytail and I curl the ends of it. It only takes like 4, maybe 5 minutes, and then you have like these beachy, nice like waves in your hair. The next one, because I keep talking about sleeping in, but guys, it happens. Like, it happens a lot. So for me, I like to leave an outfit beside my bed, and I constantly have it. So like, my friends know what my lazy girl outfit is. I'll be wearing it, and they're like, you slept in today, didn't you? And I'm like, yep. I always have a gray sweater and this big scarf and leggings beside my bed, just in case I were to oversleep, or even if I'm just feeling lazy and I don't feel like picking out an outfit. The next lazy girl life hack would be using your makeup palettes for more than one thing. So your contour palette can be used as like an eyebrow palette. It could be used as like obviously like your contour, your eyeshadow, and your eyeliner. It just saves you so much time. You don't have to be rumbling through any bags. You don't have to be searching for palettes. It's all just right there in front of you. If you're like me, you tend to forget a lot. If I do not write it down, I am probably not going to remember it. So I'll take a piece of paper and I'll write things that I need to remember to either bring or I have to do before I leave, and I tape it on the back of my door. So anytime I walk in or I walk out of my bedroom, I will see it, and then I'll just check it off before I leave in the morning, and then I know that I have everything that I needed for the day. The next life hack has saved my life. So I get up in the morning, I'll brush my teeth, I'll wash my face, I'll do my hair, I'll eat, whatever, but I don't do my makeup. And then I leave whenever I'm supposed to leave, or maybe I'll give myself like 5-10 extra minutes, and then I go to work because you never know how like traffic is gonna be or whatever. So I go to work, and as I'm sitting in the parking lot, because most people tend to get to work at least a little bit early, or let's say there wasn't any traffic at all and I'm 20 minutes early for work, I will just do my makeup right there in the car, in the parking lot of my work. It is so handy, and I do it all the time. And then that way I didn't have to I didn't spend a half an hour doing my makeup. You are a lot of the time that you are sitting in that car. So if traffic's really bad, you might only have 5 minutes to put your makeup on or whatever it is. It has just saved my life because that's all I do now. Or even for school, for example. So like I'm a commuter and parking sucks at pretty much any college campus that you go to. So as I'm waiting for parking in the morning, that's when I will put on my makeup. I won't do my makeup here in my apartment. So honestly, it just saved me so much time, and that is my favorite life hack. Okay guys, and that was it for my video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to go ahead, give this a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. It's gonna be right here. It's super handy. Go ahead, hit this right here, and you can be notified every single time I post a new video. Comment down below if you do any of these or if you're going to start doing any of these, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!